Nagmamatter talaga, like, you see, does this person even understand what they're trying to do? Does this person, may ganun prejudice.
Sa akin naman, personally, yes. Hindi, actually sa akin, hindi nagmamatter kung kanino nang galing yung feedback.
Kapag negative naman, of course, you have the, self-agency to choose. Is this something na I really have to accept to grow?
Grabe naman. Parang kikirot siya, parang negative yung feedback.
There was equal amount of responsibility and pride within myself nung narinig ko yun.
Okay, first question, Jules and Christian. What is your immediate reaction if you receive a positive feedback first and a negative feedback?
Pag positive, depende.
Okay.
Kasi there's positive na factual, you can see immediately, oo, tama. Positive na siya. But there is also the type of positive feedback na parang, it's kind of hard to take in. Kapag negative naman, of course, you have the, self-agency to choose. Is this something na I really have to accept to grow? Kasi there are some people na makita agad, and then they'll just take it.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's also just as bad as seeing negative feedback and then immediately rejecting it. There has to be a middle ground where you learn to discern how much will that kind of feedback serve you and how are you going to take it.
How about for
Ay,
millennial one?
Sa akin kasi, in terms of positive and negative feedback. So, una kayo sa positive. Sa akin kasi personally, pag yung mga positive feedback, medyo same din naman, di ba? Parang ang hirap i-accept kasi may instances na parang hindi natin alam kung deserve ba natin yung feedback na yun. Pero at the same time, yung positive feedback na yun, yun yung mag-fuel sa atin eh. Kung baga mag-motivate tayo na, di ba, sa mga deliverables namin. Pag good feedback, pag yung nasasabihan ako nung after ng meeting na parang good report, parang sarap sa feeling. Same naman, pag sa negative naman, syempre minsan parang, grabe, parang kikirot siya, parang negative yung feedback. Pero at the same time, siya, kumbaga parang okay din siya kasi magagamit din natin siya para, yun, learning, kumbaga parang learning experience siya na, meron pa pala akong something to improve on. Kasi nga, di ba, sa buhay naman, continuous learning eh. Regardless kung gaano kataas yung position na ma-achieve mo, at the end of the day, yung learning is, nandyan pa rin, continuous siya.
You can be a totally different person from what you are yesterday. Kahit one day pa lang, you can see na there's already a change in reflection, there's already a change in the way you handle yourself, the way you battle with the opinions that your previous self has. Tapos parang trying to settle with that, and then trying to see what have you learned. Ano ba yung mga tinapon mo? Ano ba yung nakuha mo before na you should actually be keeping right now? Frankly, yes. I will not, hindi ko idala na yun. There are times na nagmamatter talaga, like, you see, does this person even understand what they're trying to do? Does this person, may ganun prejudice. You also have to learn how to view it in another way na parang, what does this person actually mean at the root of it? Kasi the way it affects you and the way that person says it kasi can be different. It can come across differently. So if you refuse them to see from their shoes, you might be missing something na could have helped you all along. Pero syempre yun, I'm not perfect. Minsan nakalimutan ko gawin yun.
Well, safe to say that you accept feedback from all.
May kasi eh.
Why? Why does it matter kung sino yung nagbigay ng feedback?
Siguro nag-letter yung heaviness niya nga on din. Siguro how you view yourself in relation to that person. May ganun. And sometimes people can't help that. Although, yun nga, like I said, you really have to process na ito yung una kong naramdaman. And you have to learn how to look past that as well. And right now, siguro nga, because I'm still kind of immature, I'm still trying to learn through that. But I'm aware that I'm doing it and that I need to actually get rid of it.
Ikaw, Christian.
Sa akin naman,
Do you accept feedback from others?
Sa akin naman, personally, yes. Hindi, actually sa akin hindi nagmamatter kung kanino nang galing yung feedback. Regardless kung nasa top management man or yung, halimbawa, mga nasa ka-level ka lang, co-worker lang. Kasi naniniwala ako yung mga constructive na criticism, yun yung mag-boost din sa atin na para ma-improve yung sarili natin. Diba? Sa mga weakness natin, diba? Lahat naman tayo may mga certain weaknesses. And kapag napupuna yun sa akin, sa previous work ko, daming naging ganun. Kumbaga may part sa akin na parang feeling ko, siguro nung na-regular ako nung mga, 3 months ako na-regular din. Parang 6 months, safe to say. May part sa akin na parang akala ko, alam ko na lahat dun sa deliverables ko. Pero biglang maririnig ko na may mga ganito pa pala na feedbacks. Instead of taking it negatively, ginamit ko siya. Hindi ko siya tinake against dun sa mga nagsabi. Kasi alam ko, in the end, pag tinake against ko siya, kakainin ako ng deep inside sa kaloob-looban ko. So, nung feedback man manggagaling, so i-accept ko siya.
I like the conversation. Yeah. Pero piece of advice. Well, this is coming from someone, again, who met a lot of people. I personally don't accept feedback from all. I only accept feedback from people that I admire. Because some people's feedback are not inclusive. Kasi once you give, you put the attention to that, you will not help people. But if it is from the person who means well, with good intention, really wants you to grow. Yeah, that's I think the kind of people that we need to look for.
Have you ever received any feedback that you felt unfair, but later on it made you feel like it makes sense?
I think that's kind of a fair realization to have, lalo na someone like me na with big emotions. May times na maramdaman mo, oh, this was too much. Pero kasi when you try to refine it to its intentions, what it's trying to tell you, ano ba yung nais pahiwatig ng tao. So, it's something that can legitimately help you.
How long do you think it makes sense to you before you digest, or how long you don't digest?
It's also varying. Kasi parang, you may retrospect on some yung type of feedback na months ago and then you realize, hello, ano siya nung time na yun.
Ganun kahaba.
Pero meron ding instantly na parang, oh, what is this trying to tell? So, sometimes, seconds lang, minutes, oh, it's already making sense.
Sa akin naman yung nagpunta ako sa position nun yung diba kaka 3 months ko lang. Tapos nagulat din ako bigla ko nalagay sa senior role. Kumbaga hindi din ako ready.
Yeah.
Hindi ako ready at the time. Kumbaga, syempre, pero kasi ang sabi ko, kaysa i-turn down ko yung offer, kumbaga hindi naman lahat mabibigyan ng ganung opportunity. Sabi ko, sige, embrace ko lahat ng challenges. Kumbaga sabi ko, para ako maglalakad sa dilim ng maglalakad ako sa dilim na wala akong idea, wala akong dito, bigla akong magkakaroon ng mga i-handle na tao. Tapos, ang ginawa ko na, syempre, mga naririnig na ako na ganito, mas deserve ni ganito kasi mas nauna siya sa ganito. Pero yun nga, sabi ko naman, nung nagkaroon kami ng parang open forum nun, sabi ko, alam ko naman na, kumbaga may mas deserving pa na iba. Pero kasi, given the fact na nabigay sa akin yung opportunity, diba? Sabi ko, min-maximize ko siya, in-accept ko siya, sabi ko, hindi ko tinurn down to the fact na kasi alam ko magbe-benefit din ako dun in the long run. So, ayun. So, kumbaga parang at the time na parang ang unfair. Later on, na-realize ko. And naparealize ko, kumbaga na-prove ko yung point ko na deserving din ako ng position na yun at nung time na yun. So, ayun.
You know what thing also, some people think wanted always to prove themselves wrong. Siguro, keep in mind that na parang prove yourself right, but never prove others wrong.
If someone believes in your potential, you should believe on yourself too. Kasi the other people nga saw your potential how about you? Diba?
And again, never underestimate yourself.
Never underestimate
You should be your number one
and
biggest
deliver.
supporter.
Another question, if it's the unfair, kanina yung pinag-usapan natin, unfair feedback, how about what is your most memorable positive feedback or compliment that you received so far in your career?
Ewan kung tama yung rinig ko noon, yung the meeting we had after toxic. Tapos sinabi mo sa akin na parang I was in a key position, tama ba yung sinabi mo naman? There was equal amount of responsibility and pride within myself nung narinig ko yun.
So, So for me naman, yung opposite ng kanina kung unfair naman. Sa akin, in terms of compliments kasi, sa akin kasi medyo madali ako pakiligan pagdating sa mga compliments na ganyan. Alam mo, minsan kasi feeling ko may sa akin na parang, tama ba ganyan ako, bibigay ko ganito, ganyan. Pero the moment na na-send ko, tapos parang maano ko lang yung thank you kay Ma'am Marlene, parang sa akin, parang ang fulfilling sa sarili kasi parang, siya sa akin, parang, kumbaga nakatulong ako. So parang na-achieve ko parang yung sabi ko, naging efficient ako, parang nakatulong ako kay Ma'am Marlene. Siyempre, madami nga yung workload ni Ma'am Marlene at ni Ma'am Jess eh.
If you were given a chance to give feedback to your performance, what would it be?
An honest feedback.
Sa akin siguro, ang pinaka-feedback na mabibigay ko sa sarili ko ngayon is, you're still a long way to go. Feeling ko ako kung bibigyan ko ng out of 100%, honestly speaking, ako nandun pa lang ako. 10% pa lang talaga yung natututunan ko. Which is, totoo naman. Wala pang, may mga hindi pa nabibigay or nata-turn over sa akin sa Ma'am Marlette na project. Pero sa...
Mahirap kasi hindi ko alam how to weigh properly yung positive tsaka yung negative aspects ng work ko. Kasi right now, all I see is it's a struggle ako right now. And I need to really do something to manage what's happening. Yeah.
Well, sometimes you need to know what is controllable and what is not controllable. Because you have your control. Kasi if it is within your control, that's one thing. But if it is within or out of your control, so basically you need help from people around you. And when you're, you've been given an opportunity, like project, see the project, when you were being asked, ano yung idea nyo, ano yung mga projects na i-implement, ibig sabihin, you would want to think for yourself. Kasi you're in the front line, at some point, our understanding is between you understand better how to do it as being in the front line. So, yeah, don't think of it as an extra one. Think of it na, ito yung ticket ko to promote. Ito yung ticket ko to have a salary increase. Ito yung ticket ko para step up.
I can say that you two both have different position, but both are in a key position in this company. So, let's use all the feedbacks that you are getting, positive and negative. It will help us grow in where you are and for the career that you are looking for and the growth that you are looking for. And we are here to help you. And those feedback will help you a lot. Thank you guys. Until our next Off
Off-screen!